Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Are you someone from forensic community who want to view, export and extract DBX files? This video is designed for forensics community people to get a better understanding on how to view, export, and extract DBX files using all-in-one solution DBX Forensics tool. We start up by downloading DBX Forensics Wizard on our system. Run the application and open it on your Windows machine. So, let's begin the process to analyze DBX files in the simplest way. As you can see, it has a very clear and simplified interface that doesn't require any specific skills to continue. Now, go to the Open tab and then select either Choose Folder or Choose File to load DBX emails. Now, choose the DBX folder from your machine and click on Select Folder option. The tool lists all the DBX mailboxes in the software interface to see the preview. Now, click on the mailbox of your choice the data you want to preview in the software panel. Now, click the email to view the message. It's fantastic that you can see the email content and other details such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. For an investigator, the header information of an email is an important source. Using this great solution, you can see the email header preview. Click on the message header option to get the important details. This great utility also enables you to see the hex view of the email. Just tap on the hex view tab. A forensic investigator can also view the raw information of the email. Please click on the raw message option to get the preview. This search feature of the application is of great use to forensic people. DBX Forensics Wizard provides dual search modes to find and filter information from DBX files. The useful and helpful folder search and advanced search option. As you can see, the search tab in the software panel. This feature helps one to search for data in the selected folder. Simply just enter the keyword and search the information in the related emails of the folder. The software highlights your searched keyword in the yellow color. This way you can search keywords in other mailboxes. Now, let's move on and understand how the advanced search helps you in examining DBX mailboxes. This feature enables you to search in the entire DBX mailbox, so, see the complete information from the DBX mailbox with all the elements and properties. Choose a selective item as shown in the video. You can choose any field like name, subject, from, to, CC, date, time, content and more to apply advanced search on DBX mailboxes. As you can see, using the advanced filter options you are enabled to find and extract data items. It is a very helpful feature. Now, let's talk about how you can find a specific email from the DBX mailbox to examine the information. Here, we are choosing the content field and tap on the Find button. As you can see, all the mailboxes containing that have a specific keyword comes as the results. Click on the email and get your required information. This application also allows you to save the DBX mailbox into multiple saving options. Also, enables you to extract attachments, email addresses, phone number from DBX mailbox. The utility provides separate export and extract option, as you can see in the software window. Go to the Export tab and select PDF to continue to the process. Now, check the required DBX mailbox to save it into PDF file format. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you see, there are many options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option or not. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. Other is show page numbers. If you enable this option, then it allows you to insert page numbers in PDF document. The last one is save attachments in a folder. Enabling this option, you have the freedom to save attachments in a separate folder. Now, finally, click on the Save button. You can see the live process of exporting DBX files into PDF format in the software panel. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. If you want to test the utility for free, then download the demo edition of the software. It helps you view, export 10 DBX files from a folder. Now, let's check the final results. So, open the resultant folder. As you can see, all the DBX mailboxes are exported into PDF file format with all the properties and elements. That's all for this video. We hope you get a good understanding of the best DBX forensics software. You have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more forensics software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.